Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to install the Python. Okay, so first open that browser. Before that one, we will confirm that one whether that Python is installed in that machine or not. So for that one, just to go to the start and open that command prompt. And to confirm that one, you can type that one Python space double hyphen version. See here it's showing blank. So that means the Python is not available here. So then what you can do it, you can go to this browser and you can search it simply. So the Python. See here. So the first one, so it's showing this one, the python.organization. This is the official website for the Python. Go to this one and go to the downloads. So mouse over on this go downloads. So here you can see this one, the latest version. So click this one, Python 3.14.6. So the download is started. Okay. Once the download is done, what you can do it, that exe file, so it will be available in that your local machine. So you can open that one. See here, this is just a 29.3 MB size of the file. So it's downloaded into that your local machine. You can click this one. You can click this one. Once you click that one, then the installation it will be started. See here, the installation started. Install Python 3.14.6, 64-bit. And here use admin privileges when installing by py.exe and add python.exe to add the path. Okay, this is the path it will be added. Okay, and then you can click the install now. Suppose if you want to see that one, so what are the things are going to be installed now, then what you can do it, you can click this customize installation and you can see this one. So documentation going to be installed, pip going to be installed, pip actually. So this is the one we need to use it when you are downloading, installing that packages, the Python packages, libraries. If you want to install it now, you can use this pip. And ideally actually is the IDE for writing that your Python program. Okay, so yes, and click this next and install Python for all the users. Select this one and rest all, or you can leave it. Download debug simples, download debug binaries, download free thread sets. These things are actually, so rest of the things I can leave it as it is. And this is the path, the default path where this Python is going to be installed. And click the install. So click this yes, then installation it will be started. Okay, it will take some time. So once that installation is done now, so what you can do it now, you can confirm yourself the Python successfully installed into this machine or not. So same way you can open this command prompt. Okay, so here, so you can use the same command. So the Python version command you can use this one. It will show that your Python version once that installation successfully completed. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, installation started. So while installation is in progress, we will go to this ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, and we'll ask that on ChatGPT why this Python. Actually, the Python we are going to use it for the development purpose, right? So why the Python we have to use that one? Actually, the important thing is Python. Actually, it's a very easy language. Everyone can learn it. Actually, whether you have that one any programming language experience or not, it's not a problem. So easily you can understand this language. That is the one of the reason for using the Python. And in the AI perspective, so why this Python? Now that Python is mostly using the AI related projects everywhere, actually they are using. Why this one? Because this Python having thousands of libraries which is supporting for this AI related, machine learning related, especially the data science related. Okay, so and it is a open source application. So this is not like that a Java language or .NET language or C++ language. Those languages are some complex languages, right? So if you want to write that any code now, those all are that one purely object-oriented program. Everything you have to write it in the object-oriented base actually. But here So you don't want to, this Python also supporting object oriented. Oops concept it's supporting. But here that one advantage is here you don't want to follow that one any structural basis like you in the C languages you have to follow that structural concepts like you want to create that variable then you have to use it, but here that type of rules we don't want to follow it. Wherever we want to use that variable in that place you can use it, and you can create in that place and then you can start to use that one. Okay, simply it's a easy language. See here we will ask this one, why so Python is important for AI or Gen AI. Let's ask with ChatGPT. See here, Python is one of the most important programming languages for the artificial intelligence and generative AI because it makes developing, training, and deploying AI models much easier. Why Python is important for AI and Gen AI? Simply and easy to learn. That is the major advantage of using this Python. It's easy. Everyone, even schooling person actually, so who are doing the schooling, those person also can learn this language. Okay, so Python has a clean and readable syntax. So it's like a simple basic English. If you know that one, how to write that basic English, yes, so you are eligible to learn this Python actually. So readable syntax allowing developers to focus on AI concept instead of complex programming code. For example, if you are going to write that any Java code, then you have to use that one class. First, you have to create the class. Inside of the class, you have to create that main method. Inside of that one, you have to call that to all the logics. But here, you don't want to follow it directly. You can start to write that statements. Simply, you can still see. So Python print this one. Even this statement, if you want to write it in that Java language, then this statement you have to write it instead of the class. Then only this will get executed. Okay, so this is an easy language and rich AI and machine learning libraries. So thousands of libraries are supporting in this Python. So it's supporting this NumPy for the numerical computation, Pandas for the data analysis, Matplotlib for the data visualization, so Scikit-learn for the machine learning purpose, TensorFlow for the deep learning purpose, PyTorch for the deep learning and GenAI, so transformer, so LLM purpose. So multiple purposes, so multiple libraries are available here. Okay, so that's the reason nowadays the companies are using this Python for the AI and Gen AI application development purpose. Right? Okay, let's see the status here. Yeah, here see that setup was successfully completed. That means it's installed. Click the close. Yeah, let's confirm again. So here, so it's not available. Close this one. I'll open this command prompt again. Open. So here Python space version. Now see here, I'm able to see this version. That is the version. So now the Python is available. Python is available. So here, so ID, see here, ideally also available. Ideally, this is the one actually. So when we were installing, this is the one also was selected, right? That's the reason it's available. Click this one. So the item Python XC that is shortcut refers to has been changed or moved so that shortcut will no longer work. Okay, that I think that's a old one. Let's see here again whether it is opening or not. This is the one. Actually, we installed this is the one. Let's open this one. Yeah, see here, print. So welcome to Python. Just enter. See here, it's printing this message. Just a print. I did not write any class, any method. Just statement, single statement, print statement. I'm able to run this one. Now it's working. Okay, so now the Python is available. So Python, I'm able to write the code. If you want to save this file, you can save it. Click this file, save as. Where do you want to save? You can choose that folder path. This is a default path where this Python got installed. This is a default path. Suppose if you want to get it to this different path now, you can choose that one. See here. So this is the one. Just I'm going to create this one folder, the demo folder. Inside of the demo folder, I want to use this one. So test. See the save as type. The save as type is that Python files. So actually the Python file extension is a py test.py. Save it. Now it's saved. If you want to confirm that file is available or not, go here. This is the one demo. See here, the file is available now, right? So test file is available now. Okay. Yes. This is the way you can install the Python. Thank you.